In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a door sill plate on a Jeep Wrangler. So the sill plate here protects the door when you have it open or off on the Jeep, and it keeps the paint from chipping and getting worn out. So this is an old sill plate. We're going to take it off and install a new one. I'm going to use a body trim tool so I don't peel the paint at all. I'm just going to go underneath there and undo the double-sided tape. So to get this old double-sided tape off, I'm going to use a heat gun, and we're going to heat up that glue and then peel it back with a plastic body tool. So you're going to do this all the way across on the top and on the bottom here. There's 2 strips of double-sided tape. Okay, once I sprayed and got most of the glue off, I'm just using a glass cleaner. Something to get any of the less dirt and residue off. So once you've wiped it down with any cleaner that you want to, just take a dry cloth, make sure it's dry. Then I'm going to take my step here. I'm going to make sure I figure out how I want it to go. Okay, as you can see, it's not as long as the one that I removed, but I'm going to say that my feet are going to be more in the front than in the back, so I'm going to want to go to the front more. So now I know it's going to go like that. I'm going to peel back my double-sided tape. Just peel the red piece off both sides. Okay. Try not to touch it. Line it up right where you want it, and then push down firmly. I'm going to go from the center out. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.